Oh yeah! It's the Macho Math Randy Science time. I'm Macho Math Randy Science. I'm the greatest mathematician and scientist to ever step inside the wrestling ring. And today, we're gonna be destroying place value. We're gonna be understanding place value, and we're gonna destroy it just like Hulk Hogan. Oh yeah! First of all, I need to put on my Turtle Beach headsets that gives me a teacher's voice. It turns my voice from this awesomeness into a regular teacher's voice. Oh yeah, okay, it's working right. It is changing my voice to a regular teacher's voice. Anyways, today we're going to be looking at place value. Oh yeah. As you recall, place value tells you where the place and how the value is of a number. We start off with the ones, we got the tens, we got the hundreds, we got the thousands, we got the 10,000s, we got the 100,000s. This is our place value. So, we got a question this week. We were given these 6 individual numbers. And we need to take these numbers and make the largest number that we possibly can using these 6 numbers. We also got to take it and make the smallest number that we possibly can, and it has to be 6 digits. So we got to use all these digits correctly to make the greatest possible number that we can. So let's go ahead and start with the greatest, just like me, the greatest of all time. If I'm taking these numbers here, I got a 6, a 0, a 3, a 7, a 8, and a 4. How am I going to make the greatest number? What would I do to make the greatest number? Where would I need to start? Would I need to start in the ones? No. That's the smallest and weakest, just like Hulk Hogan. I need to go to the hundreds. The 100,000s is where I need to start. And I need to choose the biggest number up here to make it the greatest as I possibly can. So the greatest number out of these digits is my 8. So I'm going to start with an 8. That 8 right there means 800,000. That 8 means 800,000. So what would be my next greatest number? My next greatest number would be a 7. That 7 means 70,000 because it's in the 10,000s place. My next greatest number would be the 6. I put it right here in my thousands place. That means 6,000. So far I got 876,000. Then I'm going to work on my next largest number. Looks like 4 is going to be my next largest number. So I'm going to put 4 in the hundreds place. Make sure don't forget your comma. In Admentum, it's going to make you put the comma. Make sure you put the comma. This 4 stands for 400. Then I'm going to take my next largest number, which is 3. Put it in my tens place. That's a terrible looking 3. This 3 is in the tens place, makes it a 30. And then I'm going to look for my last one. My smallest number is a 0, and I'm going to put that in my ones place. So now I've made my greatest number possible. And I'm going to go ahead and write that down. My greatest number possible is 876,430. 876,430. Now I got to use those exact same digits, and I got to create the smallest number possible, the least number possible. So let's go back and look at these digits again. Let me erase what I got. Just like I erase everyone who steps into the ring of math and science. Alright, so I got these same numbers again. I'm going to erase the little marks I put at the top. Now, I need to start doing this the opposite way. So I need to use the smallest numbers possible, correct? I believe so. What is my smallest number I possibly have to make a 6-digit number? It is a 0. But, do we start any numbers with 0 at all? No, we don't start any numbers with 0. If I'm starting a number with 0, that's technically going to make it a 10,000s number. It has to be 100,000s numbers. So I can't start with 0. I can't start with 0 because I need to be able to have it as a 6-digit number. It needs to be a 100,000s number. So my next smallest number that I can use is 3. So I'm going to start my number with 3. Now, can I use my 0? Yes, I can definitely throw my 0 in there, because as long as that 0 is between or coming after numbers, it works, it makes sense. But I can't have a number starting with 0, at least not whole numbers. When we get to decimals and stuff later, that's a different story, but we're talking about whole numbers for now. It has to be a whole number, so it's not starting with 0. So then I want to use my next smallest number. So I use 0. I've used 3, so I'm just going to kind of go the opposite route here. My next one will be 4. That 4 is going to stand for 4,000. My next number is going to be 6. That number is going to stand for 600. Oh, no. Yeah. Is that right? Let me look at it for a minute. Yeah, that's right. That 6 is going to stand for 600. Now I'm going to my next largest number, which is 7. It's going to stand for 70. And I'm going to my next largest number. It's going to stand for 8 to give me 8 ones. Now the smallest number I can make with 6 digits, making a 100,000 number, is 304,678. 304,678. All right. Hope that helps you out some. Let me check one more thing for you. Alright, so hopefully that helps you out. I believe that'll help out for 4th and 5th grade on some questions about place value. If not, let me know. Thank you.